Hey guys, and thanks for watching. I'm going to try to show you how to drill through a painted cabinet without causing any damage. We're going to mask off the area that we're going to run the hole saw through. We're going to run the hole saw in reverse and then forward till it pokes out the other side, and then we'll meet them in the middle. All right, hope you can see pretty well. You can see how clean the edges of the hole are. The main reason that I was able to do it so cleanly is because this is actually an MDF cabinet, so it's very, very soft. You do want to go in and kind of commit, try to keep from wobbling the drill too much just so that you don't chew into it. And then of course going backwards at first, helps clean up the edge. With this, you kind of want to run a hole saw at a high speed. If you're on a low speed, it'll bite and jerk and tear it up. But I think we did a pretty good job. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you know a better way of doing it, I'm always interested in learning something new. Thank you so much.